Hi, I'm Miss Rowe, and I am going to present the Senior Math Awards for the 2019-20 school year for Breckenridge High School. This was a tough task for me. First off, I've only known these kids for about 9 weeks. I worked with them face to face as I came in to the school in January as their teacher. And then second of all, I had two really great groups of students, and their grades were all very close when I calculated them out. So it came down to 1/100ths of a point when I went to do these awards. All four of these students are very deserving, but honestly, all of my classes were very deserving because they are some great kids. So I wish them all luck in their future. And let's go ahead and name our 4 award winners. Our first award winner is Sage Blyler. Sage was in my first hour senior math class. Second award winner is Peyton Huntoon. Peyton was in my 5th hour senior math class. Our third winner is Emily Saunders. She was also in my first hour senior math class. And our last winner is Grant Willman. He was in my first hour. Congratulations to all 4 of these seniors, and best of luck to all of the seniors.